Guys, on a quick one, right on this screen you can see a credit alert of 11,000 naira, and also on this particular screen you can also see a credit alert of 12,000 naira. This is the update I want to share with you guys, and I want you to quickly jump on it while it's still hot. Ensure you jump on it right now while it's still hot. Before we go into the updates, my name is Chris Aqua, and this is my YouTube channel where I share updates on making money online, and I also share some digital tips and reviews. So if you are in for making money online, this is the channel for you. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button and ensure that you turn on that bell notification button right beside it. Why do you need to do this? So that whenever I drop updates like this, you get to see them first, because this is very important. So I'll go straight into the updates. So the platform is Ninja Beauty Air. The platform name is Ninja Beauty Air, and whenever you register, you are going to get 3,000 naira. Once you sign up and you get verified, you are going to get 3,000 naira. Ensure that you watch this video till the end, because I will be revealing some secrets on how to make money on this platform, how to make a lot of money on this platform. So for you to sign up, I drop the link in the description below. Check that link and sign up. So once you sign up and get verified, you will get instant 3,000 naira. Ensure you sign up through that link for you to get that 3,000 naira. If you don't sign up through the link, there's a possibility you don't get the 3,000 naira. It is an affiliate link, by the way, and they get to pay me. So right now, once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this particular page where you have to input your email, your first name, input your details and your password. Once you do that, all you need to do is just click on submit down here. Once you click on submit, to take you to another page. So this is the page it's going to bring you to. It's called the partner account page. So once you scroll down, you also see some additional details where you input your account details for you to withdraw your money into. The minimum withdrawal on this platform is 20,000 naira, and like I said, it is free to join. It is very free to join. So let me show you how to earn money. So like I said before, once you sign up through the link in the description below and you join the Facebook group and get verified, you are going to be getting instant 3,000 naira. So once you click on the link, you see the link to join the Facebook group right here. Once you scroll down, you see this. So once you click on the link and join the Facebook group, you answer some questions, you input your email address. So once you get approved, you are getting instant 3,000 naira on your dashboard, on your account, and I'll tell you how to withdraw and stuff like that. So how do you also earn again? By referring people. You get 1,000 naira for referring people to this platform. So once someone joins this platform to your link and they get verified, you are going to get instant 1,000 naira. So if you join through my link, I'll be getting 1,000 naira. Once I get 1,000 naira, they will give you 3,000 naira sign up bonus. So anybody that joins through your link will get 3,000 naira sign up bonus, while you also get 1,000 naira referral bonus. 1,000 naira referral bonus. Well, also on this platform, they will give you a discount code if you want to purchase anything on their shop. They give you a discount code and stuff like that. Although this is not the main reason for this video. The main reason for this video is to make money through the bonus and the referral link. So all you need to do is click on copy your link and share it across all social media. If you don't have a blog, if you have a blog, post it on your blog. If you don't have a blog, there's this platform called medium.com. You can create an account on medium.com and post your articles. Post an article about this platform, and whenever I drop your referral link. So whenever someone joins through your referral link, you get 1,000 naira instantly once they are verified. So the threshold for withdrawal is 20,000 naira. So once you get to 20,000 naira, you can withdraw your money. So still on your account page, you see this is where you input your bank details, bank account number, account name, and you enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once you do that, you click on submit application, and that is all. Like you can see right here, tips: the balance must be greater than 20,000 for you to withdraw cash. So all you need to do is just refer people, post it on your social media handles, and get people to join. It is free to join, so it is easier to get people to. I'm not saying it is easy, but it is easier to get people to join something that is free. Once you motivate them and you let them know that they can actually make a lot of money from this, they will want to join. So guys, this is the update. Please ensure that you enter this update as soon as you are seeing this. Join up as soon as you are seeing this before this update people now cast it. Don't let people cast it before you join. Don't let it cast before you join. So guys, that's the update for today. If you really love this, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll be dropping constant updates immediately I'm seeing them. I'll be dropping it for you on this channel. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next update. Don't forget to like, and if you have any question for me, drop them in the comment section below. So guys, take care of yourself and stay